Assalamu alaikum everyone. We've got a question on index laws. Let's get started. So there's a lot going on here. We've got 256 x to the power 20 divided by y to the power 8 to the power minus 1 over 4. My rule is to get rid of the negative power first. So in order for that to happen, I have to write this fraction as its reciprocal. So you flip the fraction over in order to get rid of the negative power. So that's y to the power 8 over 256 x to the power 20, all of it to the power 1 over 4. Now, both the numerator and the denominator are going to get this power. So we have y to the power 8 to the power a quarter over 256 x to the power 20 to the power a quarter. This would be y to the power 8 times a quarter over, now in terms of the number, it's the fourth root. So the denominator of the fraction, which is a power, represents what root it will be. Fourth root of 256 times x to the power 20 to the power a quarter. Can you see how I've dealt with the letter differently and the number differently? Okay, I'm going to carry on the right hand side. So 8 times a quarter will give me 2. So that's y squared over. Now, if you are not sure how to find the fourth root of 256, I'll just go over that quickly. So 256, and I'm going to keep dividing it by prime numbers. So divided by 2, that gives me 128. Divided by 2, that gives me 64. Divided by 2, gives me 32. Divided by 2 gives me 16. Divided by 2 gives me 8. Divided by 2, that gives me 4. Divided by another 2, that gives me another 2. Divided by 2, that gives me 1. So I'm looking at groups of 4s. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one group of 4. So that'll be 2 outside the fourth root, and then another group of 4. So that's the second one. So it's 2 times 2 times x to the power 20 times 1 over 4 will be 5. So that'll be equal to y squared over 4x to the power 5. That's my answer. Okay, we've got a part B of this question, which basically talks about expressing this algebraic fraction as a single fraction, not symbol, fraction in its simplest form. Okay, interesting, very interesting. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna factorize both numerator and denominator. Okay, so not numerator and denominator, sorry. I'm gonna factorize the two denominators. So the first one, when I factorize 9x squared minus 25, that's the difference of two squares. So when I factorize it, I get 3x plus 5 and 3x minus 5. And then I'm going to leave a gap, and minus 1 over. So 6x plus 10 is the same as 2 times 3x plus 5. Okay, now in order for me to simplify this, the two denominators need to be the same. So over here, I need to multiply top and bottom by 2. And over here, I need to multiply top and bottom by 3x minus 5. And that way, I'm dealing with the same denominator, 2 sides. So I can write it all as 2 minus bracket, because I'm multiplying by 1, it won't change. 3x minus 5 over 2 times 3x plus 5 times 3x minus 5. And then I need to try and simplify this, so it'll be 2 minus 3x plus 5 over 2 times 3x plus 5 times 3x minus 5, which will be equal to 7, because 2 plus 5 is 7, minus 3x over denominator of 2 brackets 3x plus 5 times 3x minus 5. Okay, and that's all there is for this video. Hope this has helped. Thank you for watching.